In this part of the video, I will be going through the referral and intake process for the Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud, again, in the point of view of Simone Park, our case manager in this case. As you begin to search and find and work with more of the contextual information around your client, there is a need for transparency to incoming clients coming through your referral and intake process. First, let's walk through what it looks like to bring a program participant into the process. Now, while this is typically done through an intake specialist who manages the process all the way end to end, as a case manager, you have the ability to have transparency into that process that will help your team cohesively work together as you respond and provide services. We will first navigate to the Cases tab from above. And to gain a more high-level perspective into the current process, we will have to locate the All Open Inbound Referrals list view. For today's demo, we are actually going to select the existing associated intake form for our client here, Gabriel Silva. If we scroll down this case record page, we can actually see there is an existing intake form. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and a new tab should display on our screen. As we sift through this page, we can see some related lists here that belongs to other inbound referrals that we just looked at, as well as a component here to store some relevant files and notes about this particular intake form. There's typically a set of data points that your intake specialist is gathering to better understand your client's needs. Often it's specific files and forms that can be uploaded and tied directly to this intake form. This allows you to centralize and align information you know about Gabriel and put it all into your Salesforce record. Now, as often happens, many clients have diverse needs. Gabriel here not only has needs around job training, and through the intake process, what our team discovered is that he's also in need of housing. So let's go ahead and create a new program engagement here for Gabriel. So if we scroll all the way up, we can see a new program engagement button. We can go ahead and hit that. A screen should pop up displaying some fields that we would have to fill out. So we'll go ahead and fill out the relevant information. For example, we mentioned we wanted to put in housing as one of the key needs for Gabriel. The role here is that Gabriel is currently a client, and this stage would be applied. So we filled out all of the required fields here. We can leave the start date blank, and we'll go ahead and save this new program engagement. Awesome. So once that's saved, if we scroll all the way down, we can actually see that new program engagement we just created right here. And of course, any other previous program engagements that we've created in the past for this particular client. Now, we just covered at a high level the referral and intake process, but you might need transparency to information around a client that might include an outbound referral. We head over to the referrals tab here. What we can see here is that as more information around a client is gathered, you will still have a need for transparency for incoming clients as well as outbound referral clients as well. And within the referrals tab, this is where we could take a look at a high-level snapshot of these different referrals, both inbound, but also outbound as well.